If by now you still don't know how to play this Catizen game, then you might want to watch this video, because in this video I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to actually play this Catizen game, how to accumulate more points, and then what are the necessary things you have to consider about this Catizen game. And overall I'll be showing you how you can accumulate more Catizen points for yourself. So if this is what you are willing to know, then watch this video, and I will try as much as possible to be brief with my explanation. So without any delay, let's go. But before we go further, I would like to show you that Catizen is already on pre-sale market on BitGet Exchange. If you come to BitGet Exchange right here and you go to the pre-sale market, pre-market section, you will see that Catizen is already trading at 0.7 USDT as at now. And if you check the sell bot, you will see that it's already selling at around 0.72. but now that's not the main reason why we are here. I only want to show you this so that if you are just starting up, you will know that you have to buckle up and accumulate as much as you can. You can still do it if you follow my procedure closely. So once you open this game, you will see that my offline earning is this amount, so I just have to collect it. And obviously if you are just starting up, you just have to start afresh. And when you see something like this, you will actually want to reject, but if you want to claim it, it means that you are going to spend some gas fee to claim this once you connect your wallet into this Catizen application. So if I click on it right now to open gifts, so it will prompt me to my BitGet wallet which I connected this Catizen to, and then it will request for some transaction fee, and I'm not ready to do that right now. This is an airdrop, and all I want to do is to get all the free part of it and leave the payment part of it for now. So now I will just click on reject, and once you see this interface right now, if you see anything like this on your screen, just make sure to click on it, and these are the airdrop bonus you get. So just click on that and make sure that it's activated. And the simple way to play this game is actually to mash up the cards level, that to mash up any card that is in equal level. So as you can see, I have 13 here level, 13 cards level, 13 cards. I will just mash it up. If I have that's 13, I have 214 here, I will just mash it up. I have 215 here, I will just mash it up. And obviously if you are just starting, it means that you have to start from card 1, which is level 1, and then the more you play, the more you unlock more cards levels. So right now I'm in level 23, so I will just play this now and see if I can actually upgrade to level 24 right in this game. So now if you don't see any mashup cards, so all you want to do is to wait for airdrop, and if you can't wait, you can actually come right here to feed, and this is where you buy more cards. So and also you can actually get some free cards like this one. Now it's free, but apart from that fee, I'll actually have to pay some VKitty points to get this. Don't worry, I will still explain all this, what all these points means to you, but then I just want to show you that this is where you buy a new card if you can't wait for this to level up by the airdrop. So let me quickly play this level up to upgrade my level to level 24 right in this game. So just hold on a moment and just watch the speed play on how I do that. So now you see how I level up this card to up to this point, and if you see anything like this on your screen, just make sure to click on it and then get yourself some airdrop bonus. So and now I will just mash up the level 21 cards, then mash up the level 22 cards, and finally to upgrade to a new level I have to mash up these 2 cards, and this will upgrade my level to level 24. And as you can see, I just breed or unlock a new card right here, and that's how you basically play this right here. But then what are the things that actually matter? Or let me quickly introduce this interface to you if you are just starting up. Right here is your VKitty point. This is not actually the Catizen token, it's a VKitty point, and right here is your profit per hour. Some people say that this is actually the Catizen points, but then I still don't agree with that because it is not written anyway. But basically this is one of the things that matters in this game, because this profit per hour will give you more chance to earn more VKitty points, and which actually make it matter. Just like the way our profit per hour in Hamster Combat matter, this also matter as well. And as you can see, what I did right here, I upgrade the speed level to ×2 so that it can actually double up my profit per hour for some moments. And then coming right here, you will see good, and this is actually the level where you belong to. If you click on that, you see that I'm on the gold league, and in your own case, if you are just starting, you'll probably be on the bronze league. And when you upgrade your VKitty points, you will be moving ahead in the league. Silver, gold, we have the gold, we have the platinum, and so on and so forth. So the more VKitty points you have, the more level you are going to be. And then another thing you have to take note, if you come down here to this shop, you will see that you can actually purchase some stuff here, and this is a fish, and why this is a VKitty point, and the cost is actually 0.1 dollar. And then you are not advised to go into this section right now. And coming here to your earning, and this is where you perform some tasks. The task you perform here is, the aim is to earn more fish for yourself, and this fish is very useful right in this Catizen game, and I will explain the most important uses of this fish for you right now. So you have to ignore this checking to get 30 fish, because you are actually going to pay for the gas fee for this transaction, and I won't advise you to go into that as a beginner. And for this login to Catizen, ignore it as well. Daily purchase, ignore it as well. So all you have to do is to visit channel and engage. You just have to make sure to do this to get 10 fish points. Then if you have a chance, invite your friends into the game daily, then you will be able to claim fish points for yourself. And then visit official website every day to get 5 fish points for yourself. And for Telegram Premium, actually, if you have anybody around you who is using Telegram Premium, you can invite the person and you will get 200 fish for yourself. Then if you scroll down, you will see some other basic tasks you can perform. Just make sure to perform this to earn more fish for yourself. And when you come to this achievement, you will actually see some points of achievement, and this basically your profile. And you can see this fish right here. I take it very serious because it is more useful and more costly than anything in this game right now. So here you just buy cards, and just like that you buy cards to continue playing your game instead of going to this field section. And of course I have shown you this field section, and whenever you see a symbol like this here, it means that you have a free card. So just quickly go there and claim it for yourself. And each card come with their own speed, so the more you buy, the more speed you actually get, and the higher your speed, the higher the VKitty points you actually have right in this game. So it is advisable to spend more on buying these cards to upgrade your speed, because this will actually give you more points right here. And then another thing is, when you come to this invite section, you can actually be able to invite your friends, and then you will see your assets limits. Then when you go to my assets, you can see VKitty points, and this is the points I actually have, and this is my fish coin. And here you will see WKitty, and then you will see Xzen. So these are the assets right here, and of course you can't see any cards here. So it means that the conversion, maybe they are actually going to convert our VKitty points to Catizen points. I don't actually have any facts about that for now, but let me show you the importance of this fish before I run this video up. So coming back to the up right here, you will see fishing. If you click on that fishing, it will take you to a pool side where you actually have a chance to fish. And here is the secret part of this game. I just discovered this part I think yesterday, when I take this game very serious, and I'm showing you this now. You can actually know that this is actually serious. Assuming I have discovered this a very long time ago, I will have been ahead in this game more than right now. So but you have to spend wisely as you are fishing in ocean. So any reward that comes your way is what you are actually going to get. And how are you going to be able to do that? If you get from the tax, you get some fish, and here I have about 3,000 fish right now. So if I click on start right now, all I want to do is that to stop this reel at the center red point of this bar right here. So I'll just do that, and as you can see, this is the point I get boost times 500 within 60 seconds, which is actually good, and it will cost you about I do calculate my point to be around 50 fish. And then let's try this again. So you can see another thing that I have earned. So here you spend fish, and sometimes you do get fish. Actually, I accumulate this fish right here because I started with 1,500. When I still dey pamper my fish, I don't know that I can actually use fish points to get more fish points. And ever since I have been coming to this pool to fish, I actually feel good about this game, and this give me a turn up ahead. So let me fish more and see what my luck will get. And remember that this fishing is a game of luck where you spend fish to actually get more rewards. So you can see I just got a luck right now and get myself additional 1,260 fish by just catching this from the ocean. And as you can see, I come here with 3,000 fish points, and right now I have fish points despite the fact that I have get a lot of points by staying in this pool. And this is where the secret is. If you can try to stay in this pond, and then you can able to get more fish and even go ahead in this game. And this is the secret I just find out in this game, which I want you to use wisely, and then just try your luck. But then I'm not guaranteeing you that you are going to get something big from this pond, but then this is what works for me, and if you try it out, I'm very sure it can also work for you too. So that's it. Another interesting part on this fishing is that when you stay long on this fishing pond, you will actually get to see a FOMO, and this will display all the reward in the ocean for you. And in this reward section, FOMO section, you will actually get everything you get right here will be multiplied by 20 times 20. You can see that's very massive. Get a lot of points. And in this FOMO section, you only have chance to fish 10 times, and that 10 times reward will be very, very huge and massive, and it can change your game forever. Now before I wrap up this video, let me quickly show you why I said the fish point is actually important. If you come right here to your profits or to your speed level, and right here where it says fish, where you can see your fish balance, if you click on it right, so if you come right here to where you can actually purchase this fish, you will realize that 600 fish with 100 airdrop will cost you about $1, and that's because you have about 400% off. And then if you come right here down here, you will actually realize that 300 fish will cost you $1. So it means that if you want to buy like 4,000 fish, or let's say if you like, so it means that if you want to buy 1,500 fish, this is actually $5 right here. And if this can just be double points, then now calculate it, or let's imagine it, how much the actual price is going to be. So which is the main reason why I value this fish so much, and I don't just use it anyhow whenever I'm playing this game. And that's all about this video. And if you get any value from this video, don't forget to like, share it for more tappers to see, and of course follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.